अगर ये वीडियो आप तक पहुंचा मीन्स यूनिवर्स हैज सेंट मी टू help you out to remove all your evil eye, negative energies, bad energies, curses, and spells, and black magic. If you want to receive this energy, just write it down. And if you want to claim, just write it down. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Baucharma. I accept. जय माता दी.